Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 1st of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the upcoming expiry on the 6th of September 2024 for Tesla. Now let's zoom in here. So the max OI level for the CE and PE have declined, so that's negative. The quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. The change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still below 1 significantly, that's negative. Implied and historical volatility are both lower, so that's two positives. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's positives. Those are two positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. And the candlestick is bearish, so that's negative. Overall, the support, and let me change this. The support, this is wrong completely. The support is at 190 and the previous support was at 200. The current support of resistance is at 215, previous resistance was 225. And I'll change this. So this is 215 and this was 200. Yeah, so this is now a more accurate table, and overall the prediction is that Tesla goes up, although by a very, very small margin, as there is a very high level of uncertainty just based on this alone. And if you want more details, please watch my video on a more detailed prediction for Tesla. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.